Hello friends, today we are going to discuss some another input output functions and these functions are put character and get character function in C. Also we will discuss get ch function in C and get ch function in C. So in this lecture we are going to discuss these functions. Put character and get character functions. Put character function. Put character function is used to write a character on a standard output or screen. Syntax for it is like this one. In put character in open and close parenthesis in char and at the end semicolon. It can be used as put character in open and close parenthesis, that is parameter is char and at the end semicolon, where char is a character variable or character value. Get character function. Get character function is used to read a character from the keyboard. Syntax for the get character is int get char in open and close parenthesis void keyword and at the end semicolon. It can be used as get character in open and close parenthesis char, that is parameter is char and at the end semicolon, where char is character variable or character value. Let us discuss an example program that uses the put character and get character functions. So in this program, C type.h header file is also included in addition to stdio.h header file, because in this program we use some function that is defined and declared in this header file. So first statement of main function declares the character type variable C. Next statement prints the enter some character colon on the output screen, where user enters the character. Then using the while statement, while C not equal to ampersand. If this condition is false, then body of the while loop is executed. In the body of the while loop, C equals to get character. What character is entered by the user except ampersand sign, that is taken in and is stored with the character type variable C. Printf entered character colon. Then this message is printed on the output screen, and using the put character function, entered character is written on the output screen. Then printf function /n at the end semicolon should be there, it is missed out. So this statement brings the cursor in the beginning of the next line. Then condition is checked. So this body of the while loop is going to be executed, and every time a character is taken in by the get character function is stored with the variable C, and that is printed on the output screen by the put character C function. When user enters the ampersand sign, that to end the entering the character, so condition becomes false. When condition becomes false, control comes out of the while loop, and out of the while loop return 0 statement is there, that inform the operating system that program is run successfully. And when this program is run, we get the output like this one. Enter some character. User enter A. That is taken in by the get character function and printed on the output screen by the put character function. When next character B is entered, then that is taken in by the get character function and printed on the output screen by the put character function. When user enters the ampersand sign, condition in the while loop becomes false and then control comes out of the while loop and ends the function, end of the program. Now get CS function. This function waits for any character input from the keyboard. When this function is executed, compiler waits for some character from the keyboard. It will also echo the input character on the output screen. What character is printed, that is also printed on the output screen. Syntax for this is in get ch in open and close parenthesis wide and at the end semicolon. So this is the syntax of the get cs function. So let us see an example program that uses the get cs function. So a program is like this one. So in this program, first statement of the main function declares flag as a character type variable. Next statement prints hello world on the output screen. Printf, do you want to continue Y or N? So this message is printed on the output screen whereby user enters either Y or no, N. So depending on that one, flag equal to get ch open and close parenthesis semicolon. Get ch function takes entered character and is stored with the character variable flag. Then using the if else statement, entered character is checked whether it is y. If this condition is true, then you have entered yes. This message is printed on the output screen. If condition is false, then you have entered no. Message is printed on the output screen. And after printing one, last statement is return 0. That inform the operating system that program is run successfully. And when this program is run, we get the output like this one. Hello world. Do you want to continue Y or N? When user enters Y, this is echoed, that is printed on the output screen and you have entered yes. After checking the character, this message is printed. Get cs function. This function waits for any character input from keyboard. It won't echo the input character onto the output screen. Syntax int get ch in open and close parenthesis wide and at the end semicolon. Example program for the get cs function is like this one. In this example program, first statement of the main function prints hello world on the output screen. Then get cs function is executed, and when it is executed, it waits from user to enter any character. So unless and until a character is entered, output screen displays the hello world on it. and once user enters any character, then control goes to the return 0 statement. That is the end of the program. So output of this program is hello world. After displaying hello world in output screen, this program waits for any character input from keyboard. getCS function will wait for any keyboard input and press enter. After any single character is typed or pressed, this program returns 0. It won't display the given input character in output screen. So in this way, in this lecture, we discussed number of the input output functions. So with this, we will end this class, and till next class, bye and have a nice day.